Yes guys, welcome to viewfirst. Today we have an item from IcStation.com. IcStation, thank you for sponsoring this product. It is an electronic dimming table lamp kit, best for beginners who are practicing soldering. For the link of this item, see description below. The product consists of 3 pouches. One for electronic components, the cover, the manual, USB cable, pack of LED, a twin wire, bus cable, 2 pieces of PCB board, main and LED board, a pack of electronic components, and screws. The second pouch consists of flexible lamp post, and lastly, the lamp case that consists of 2 parts, the top and the bottom part. This pack of LEDs consists of 24 pieces of white LEDs, and a pack of self-tapping screws and potentiometer nut. Now let's start placing the electronic components on the designated footprints. 10K resistor, 200 ohms resistor, 100 microfarad capacitor, 4148 diode, 2302 transistor, 104 ceramic capacitor, 102 ceramic capacitor, 8-pin IC socket for our 555 board, straight PH 2.0 5-pin socket, and a bend 5-pin socket, 50 kilo ohms potentiometer, 2-pin micro USB. Divide the 8-pin male header pin into 2 and insert it into the NE555 board and solder it. For the LED PCB board, insert the long leg part of the LED into the positive sign of the footprint. Then solder all the pins of the LED into the board. For the twin wire, let's connect the wire with the stripe into the negative terminal of the LED footprint. Carefully insert the twin wire to the flexible lamp post and properly fit the LED board. Remove some insulator on the end tip of the wire and solder it into the board with the stripe wire to the negative terminal. Insert the timer board facing the notch to the electrolytic capacitor. Detach the potentiometer board and connect the bus cable from the potentiometer board to the main board. We have unsoldered the twin wire or the LED wire since we need to insert this on top of the lamp case. Secure 2 screws for the lamp post and resolder the LED wire. Let's power up using micro USB charger and turn the potentiometer. Sadly to say, we need to troubleshoot this thing. Found out that there's something missing in this part. Maybe we need an extra header pin for this, but I'm looking for an extra jumper to short this terminal. Now it's look great! Maybe it's time to finish this thing. Let's just test for a couple of times and get some extra wire from our LED, bend about the size of the terminal, and make as a fixed jumper to avoid being shorted to the first terminal. Fix the main board by securing 4 screws. Attach the potentiometer board to the top case and secure with a potentiometer nut. Insert the knob cap. Place the lampshade with a notch facing to the wire and secure with the 4 pieces self-tapping screws. Fix the base case by securing 4 pieces of self-tapping screws. And finally, we're done! So that's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Viewfirst. Bye-bye!